The Brown Belt course is for people who are contemplating a shift or starting their SE career, or are in the first 3 years of their solutions engineering career. It's also good for veterans who are looking to brush up on the latest IC strategies and practices. It's also an excellent course for early stage managers to take, as it gives a lot of strong context to the recruiting and organizational needs they will need to employ as they mature in the role. The key takeaways that SEs will get from the Brown Belt include a solid and multifaceted understanding of what world-class solutions engineering looks like from multiple perspectives that also include building inner resilience, strong relationships with sales and customers, and the competencies and brand that is so necessary to excel as an SE. And the second piece is that it'll go into a deep dive into the SE sales process, and that provides SE best practices and tools that go all the way from qualification through demo, proof of value, and close. In short, SEs emerge from the Brown Belt very well equipped with both the practices, the programs, and the network to significantly accelerate their success, as well as their well-being as a solutions engineer.